Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of the Mulwark brand, their wire crimping tool. It's a professional crimping plier with a ratcheting mechanical system on there for your heat shrink connectors, electrical terminals, automotive wiring. Anytime you want to crimp something really evenly. Gets excellent customer rating. It's a very versatile tool. You want to have it in your tool shop for do your self applications or professional work. So it's really interesting the way this works. I like it. It has color coding for the 3 different sizes of gauges on there. You can pick the appropriate gauge so that you can compress it properly. There is a ratcheting adjustment on here. You want to do that screw, and you could turn this clockwise and you can increase the compression force on there a certain percentage. It's set to a default compression force right now. You notice it has nice oversized cushioned grips on there, which I really like. So the operation of this is simple. When you completely press it in, the ratchet opens up, and that's how you then could put your different gauges on there. Once you compress this down, you can see that those things get closer, closer, and then they lock, and then you go all the way. You compress this completely just like that. Once you've done that, then you can open it up and have it released. Really simple operation, just like that. So it's nice that they've got those gauges on there in the color code so that you can pick the right one for your application. So let's just give a little example right here. I have a wire. I have one of these terminals. This is a small one, so I'm going to be putting it in the first one, which is I'll be putting it in the first one here, which is 16 to 22. So this is the wire terminal, and it's typically, this one is for 16 to 22 gauge. So I'm going to be putting it into the red connection right there. So you just go like that and you compress. And what it's doing is pushing down an even force, and you can see it ratcheted and increased the force, and now the wire is compressed on the connection right there, and that's how you make your electrical connection. Now let's give another example. So you have 2 wires, a larger gauge. You got 2 wires together, and this is going to be for the range here of 14 to 16 gauge. We're going to put that right in there just like that, and we're going to compress it. And it compressed it down. You can see it's got the conductors compressed on the metal part right there. Now what about if it's a thicker wire? You have something that is thick, like this wire right here. So we're going to put this into this larger terminal, and we're going to be using the largest one on here, which is the 10 to 12 gauge. Put that in there just like that. This one takes the most force because it's the largest one right there, and you go all the way in and then it releases. Now notice that it was hard because this is a lot to compress, but this will not open up until you've completed the full cycle, and that's important. I want to make sure that you get the full compression force on there and you get the electrical connection correct. So very versatile tool, easy to use, and I just love the way they got it color coded so that you could see everything going on. I'm impressed with what Mulwark did on this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.